Hi there, I'm Marissa Jenkins, and today we're going to be talking about turnkey playgrounds. Far from the typical commercial playground purchasing experience, AAA State of Play turnkey playgrounds were created to make the process simpler and faster. With these turnkey playground bundles, you'll get the most value possible from your playground equipment purchase. These bundles boast an impressive list of benefits for users and owners alike. One of the biggest selling points of structure packages is that they consolidate standalone playground equipment into one convenient bundle, allowing you to make the most of your limited space. Our structure packages consist of high-quality, commercial-grade playground equipment that meet or exceed safety regulations. By bundling the surfacing, borders, and playground equipment together, the purchasing process is easier on the customer and saves them time and money. Turnkey playgrounds include the following: 1 play structure, plastic border timbers, rubber mulch or wood mulch, a weed barrier, an ADA ramp, and professional installation. Our sales team will use the location and playground dimensions to complete a quote and deliver a final, all-inclusive price. For more information on turnkey playgrounds, visit our website. I'm Marissa Jenkins with AAA State of Play. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.